While we're here in the purchasing approvals screen, I wanted to share a few extra views that I have added into different environments that have been very helpful in making sure the right people are looking at the right products based on what they need to approve. I mentioned that sometimes you might have different people approving products. So you may have project managers approving your projects, and you may have a service manager approving your tickets. Here, I'm going to create a view for service tickets. I know which products are service tickets because the charge to will always start with ticket space hashtag and the ticket number. So I'm going to create a view called service tickets. And I'm going to filter on the charge to contains, and then I'm going to put ticket number and run this to see if it works. I can see in the background that this is showing me just service tickets. So I'll hit save. Here, if I were a service manager and I didn't need to worry about any projects or sales orders, I would look at the service ticket view only and approve these products. Next, I want to show you some items which maybe don't need to be purchased, but are fees that I have charged the client. In this example, I have freight, which is something I am going to charge the client, but I am not going to purchase. It doesn't need to go to the purchasing screen, but I would like to clear it out of my purchasing approvals. When I click into freight, I can see that this product was set up as a non-inventory class product by going into the product ID and looking at the product class. Non-inventory means that I will be able to ship this product without having any stock on hand. So the most effective way to make sure that this freight charge stays on the ticket but doesn't clutter up my purchasing screen is by creating an auto pick and ship view. I'm going to go into the view section and create a new view called auto pick and ship. Here, I'm going to say freight is one of the product IDs I would like to have in my auto pick and ship. When I have this, I can go through and clean these up by selecting en masse, actions, and shipping these products. This will ensure that the product is on the invoice and is still on the ticket, but not in my purchasing approvals screen. This is one way to start to clean up your purchasing approvals. As there's other things that are added to my auto pick and ship, I'll just go back into the view, hit the plus sign, change this to or, and add whatever additional product IDs I need. As I continue to do that, it will make the list longer and longer, and I'll be able to clean up this screen easily. Stay tuned as we move to the next video, which will be purchasing.